we going?
We go to NOLA. You look nice. I filmed you. I filmed you.
Okay.
What's our time?
We made it to NOLA. You're hungry.
Not hungry.
Let's go get food.
Okay.
What'd you do?
Beignet. It attacked me.
What's that?
It's a test set that brought Tom Murphy.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I've seen this game before.
What are you doing right now?
Take a picture to show my friends. Show my friends. Well, the Queen's Guard F7, and I think this is the one where there's an infamous rook sack after he there's like a rook d8 thing because the bishop. I kind of forgot how the game goes. I'm supposed to know this.
You're supposed to know this?
I'm supposed to know this.
Uh-oh. What happened?
I redeemed myself. It's from the Opera House game. I'm supposed to know this. I'm so embarrassed.
You're embarrassed?
Yeah, I just remember the rook d8 bit.
You think about doing?
I think about if I lose you after the wedding, everyone's gonna blame me. And they'll be like, Alan, how could you lose her? How could you let her out of your sight? And I can imagine my mom right here, right now, being like, Alan, how could you?
But I said you can go.
No.
Why not? It's not a trap.
It's a trap.
I said you can go. I'll just work.
I can't go because you'll be unattended and then you're gonna get kidnapped and then everyone will blame me. This is how anxiety works.
But I'll just stay in my room.
And Asian shame.
I'll just stay in the room.
No, yeah, that's not fair to you.
For 2 hours only.
You literally what? literally 10 minutes ago, you were angry at me because I didn't pay attention to you for 1
That's
minute.
because it was me time, not chess time.
No, I think you were offended because it was a good joke in your head, and you were upset.
It was a good
you were
joke.
Upset. There was no one to be like, "Haha, that was a great joke."
It was a good joke.
That's why you got offended. It wasn't over
It was
me.
a good
It was
joke.
because no one appreciated your
Why
joke.
didn't you appreciate my joke?
I appreciate your joke that you did not tell me because I asked you.
I did. I told it to you twice.
You did?
Yeah.
Why didn't you?
And you were too busy texting
Why
your
didn't
chess
you-
friend about his
Why
6th
did?
chess
Okay,
set.
okay.
Oh my god.
What'd you get?
I don't know. Art book.
Art book.
Art book.
You don't know the book that you bought?
I know the book.
Do you think you'll be able to open it?
Ow!
What happened?
I hurt myself.
What's the book about?
Hayao Miyazaki. It's about Totoro.
Yeah.
What if there's barely any Totoro stuff in here? I'll be so sad.
That'd be pretty outrageous
I
considering.
like how I opened it to a page that's blank.
Yeah, it's nice selected works.
Whoa.
You like it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Look at this one. That was in the movie.
Are you happy?
Where's Totoro?
Are you glad I made you buy it?
You didn't make me buy it. I almost cried thinking about not buying it. Did you know that?
Yeah. It's just like Moosey all over again.
It's not like Moosey. Look, Totoro. It's the tree.
Mm-hmm.
That's not chess.
Chess?
That's not chess. Do they clap at chess?
Polite people do. I don't know. No one's ever clapped at me.
Wow.
Spencer's played a game where someone from the other side of the board clapped when he was done.
Look. So they painted it. They painted it with gouache first.
You don't care about Spencer's story.
They painted it. They painted it with gouache. And then they added the animated elements on top of it. That's so
cool.
My neighbor Totoro. 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 I'm gonna read it on the plane. Totoro. Totoro.
Sorry, I didn't catch it. What's it called?
Totoro, Totoro. Why are you making fun of me? Look. Why you don't react? Look how cute.
It is cute.
Kiki used to have orange hair.
Really?
Look.
Oh.
Kiki
It's like
used to
pink
have
orange.
hair. I like the black hair.
I like you.
Thanks. Thanks for making fun of me.
I didn't make fun of you.
You're kind of making fun of me.
Hey, guess what? Cecile has allergies.
No, I don't have allergies.
She was itching after eating crawfish.
I don't have allergies.
And then
I'm not allergic to
she was
anything.
scratching all over until I gave her a Zyrtec.
I'm itchy again.
And then she immediately like scratched less. But she's in denial.
I don't have allergies. Shut up.
I hope you include this.
You're mean to me.
I really hope you include this.
I don't have allergies. It's so pretty. Look, this world doesn't exist just for humans.
Wow.
Do you agree?
Mm-hmm.
I agree. Spirited away. Totoro, Totoro.
Also, I think this is a drum circle and not about chess. This is the most chaotic recording we've done. I hope you include. I hope you don't. I hope you include all of this.
No.
Why?
It's embarrassing. Look, it's the dance.
Wait, you have to show. How about you put the book down and show me the dance?
No, I'm not showing you the dance.
Why not?
You already seen me do the dance.
But your audience is gonna ask now.
No.
You're
I'm
gonna.
not doing it. Why you make fun of me?
I'm not making fun of you.
You're making fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you.
Look, it's you, Baba.
Who's that?
You, Baba.
What's your baba?
You, Baba.
What the baba? I'm confused.
Your Baba's been spirited away. You forgot your Baba?
It just sounds like Water Baba.
You actually forget your Baba?
Yeah.
I remember this frame. I really like this frame.
Wait, is it the mask guy?
What?
No mask guy? No face guy?
Your Baba is the old lady that runs the spirit house.
Oh.
The bat house.
Yeah. And then the guy eats
And
too
she's
much.
got the baby.
Right? And then the guy eats too much.
No face? Yeah, no face eats too much. He hungry. You know, I get it. I hungry too. I happy.
Cute.
Even though you made fun of me.
No, I didn't make fun of you. I just state facts.
I'm not allergic to anything.
I said just press it. The last motion, just press it. What time they have bread bag for you?
I want bread bag.
Yeah. You should get a bread bag.
A bag just for bread?
Uh-huh.
Okay, buy me one.
Okay. Now, we came back because we too nerdy and we read everything and we didn't finish it all in one day even though we spent 3 hours here last time. So we probably gotta spend 6 hours in total or 8 hours, I don't know. We see.
What did you say?
So you are annoying Canadian. Good, but it's not as good as the sunrise lemon thing from Vivital.
So Vivital better? Vivital better.